Hello watcher and subscribers. Now we are in the next tutorial of creating subplots. So here we will see what exactly the meaning of subplots and in what cases we have to use. So for creating subplot you have to remember few things that we will cover up in this tutorial. So in displaying multiple plots you have to use subplot function. Got it? And you can draw multiple plots in a figure like that. You can draw here multiple plot. So this is the figure. There we have two graph. Got it? So here we have managed the two graphs. So how you can manage this? For that you have to remember few things. First upon you have to use subplot function and it has three argument and it describes the layout of the figure. Means we represent particular area. There we will keep our plot. So layout is organized in the form of row and column which are represented by the second and first argument. Means first and second argument represent the row and column. And the third argument represent the index position of the plot. For example, subplot, first value is 2, second value is 2, third value is 1. So that first value represent row, second value represent column of the particular plot, and 1 represent the plot number. Suppose here 1 means this is the first plot. If you write 2 it will be second plot. First value 2 means number of row and second value 2 means number of column. So this figure will be look like square. Okay, if you use different value it will be looking like rectangle. I want to show in the square form, so that's why I put the same value. So first and second value is same here, so you are getting the figure in the square form. Means your graph will be looking proper in the square format. And here we have the two graph in one figure, so that is the concept of subplot. Got it? So for putting more than one plot, for putting more number of plot, you can use subplot function in your program. Means you can use here 2 plot, 3 plot, it's up to you. So in the practical session we will see how we can work out with the subplot. So here we are in the Python program and we have already added submodule pyplot and the library numpy. So here first upon we will create a 2 array by using numpy. So I'm creating 2 array here, x equal to n dot, this is the alias of numpy. So n dot array, and we will add few elements here. So this is my first array and I will add now second array. So here now we got the 2 arrays in the program. So in the second array I will just do modification in the values. And finally we are in the position to use a subplot method. By using p we can add that. So p dot subplot, and here we have to specify the layout. So my layout is 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 column. And this is my first we can say first chart or first graph in that entire figure. So this is the part 1. 1 means you can specify it's a index number. So this is the first plot, and then for adding the second plot we have to do the same process. So I will just copy this code. So here once again I am using a same array. Okay, and you can do some modification in the values also. Like here I am adding 4 and here I am adding 40. And you can repeat the same array x and y, but I am changing the name so that there will be no confusion in the program. So this is what here x and y array and x1 and y1. And finally here you have to add p dot plot method, and you have to put the array x and y. And the same method we want downside. Here our arrays will be x1 and y1, and finally we will be in the position to get p dot show method. So I just revised the code. These are the two we can say importing modules, and we have the array x and y with the elements, and this row and columns are same. This is the plot 1. We are adding this plot with the array x and y. Then now we are in the second phase of array, and here you should use the plot number 2, otherwise we will not get the output. And then we are adding the plot with the specific array x1 y1 and showing by p.show method. Now we run the program. Now here you can observe, dear student, we got the two plots here. This is plot 1 and plot 2. Got it? So that is what the subplots by using Matplotlib. And here in this plot 1 you can do the checking also. X-axis value is 1, y-axis value is 10, and then later on it is increasing mode 220 and 330. So this is the point 2 and this is the point 3. For the next one we have 1 2 3 4. So here downside 1 2 3 4 is coming. Then the values in increasing mode like 10 20 30 40. So here we fix up the two plot. In the previous tutorial we were using just one plot. Now we have the multiple plots here. So in this way we can use multiple plot by using subplot method. So I hope, dear student, you understood this concept. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.